Okay guys, welcome back to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a practical guide on how you manage your iPhone camera settings, specifically focusing on enabling the burst mode. So let's get straight into it. Okay, at first grab your iPhone and open up the camera app so you know where it is on your phone, so just locate it easily, and here is the camera. Now, we often overlook the multitude of features within our cameras, so it's essential to understand how to access these settings for a more personalized photography experience. Now, if you want to take the burst photo, there are a few things which you have to have disabled. So, at first, you have to direct your attention to the top of a right corner, and there you'll find the HDR option, or it depends on really which iPhone you have and everything, but you want to make sure that at first you don't have the live photo turned on and stuff like this, because of course you can enable the burst mode by holding down on the actual screen like that on the shutter button, but this only works when you don't have the photo or the live video turned on. So let me just go to these settings real quick and scroll down to find the camera. So right now I'm inside the camera section. And as you can see, we have one option to use volume for the burst, so you can enable that if you want to. And there are also different things which you can also turn on. So you can also just play around with the faster shooting. You can do portraits in the photo mode as well. So basically, after this setup, we can come back to the photos section, and in the past we used to just hold down on the shutter button to make a burst of the photos, and I believe that this one we also have that available, but as you can see in the settings we enabled it with the volume button. So right now you can hold down on the volume button and you can see that I'm taking burst photos, so it's a little bit different now. You can see that it just does not work the same way anymore, but you can also just take the burst photos. This time you use the volume buttons instead, because if you hold down on the shutter button in the middle, it just moves you over to the live photo. So it is really a different thing. So this is how you can enable it. This is how you can play around with it. You also see that there is a burst of 28 photos, and you can pick the one that you like. So it's very easy to manage it once you get to this point, but without it you're not going to be able to really do it. So before we wrap up, I'd like to remind you, by the way, that there is a Foxtecc educational platform which I created recently, and this is what it looks like. You can access it by the link in the description. It is free to do so, and there you can watch many different courses and tutorials which are exclusive to this platform, like in-depth guides and courses. There's also a community, like 60 people are already there and learning, so make sure to not miss out, and see you guys there inside. For now, thanks a lot for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video.